What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. So today we're going to be detailing the BMW engine. Right now we're just, painting some parts, messing around, some parts for the bike. There's the BMW right over there. Oop, there it is. And there's our little setup right there. There we go. So he's going to finish with that because he's helping me record. That one last coat. And we're going to go ahead and start on the engine bay detail. Alright, what's going on? So we have the engine here. We're going to go ahead and just begin detailing it. This just looks clean, but it's because we spilled a little bit of oil when we were pouring it in. It's mostly just dust, and the majority of it is just plastic. So it should be real nice and easy. I'm not going to power wash it. Like I said, I don't want to get water places that we don't want to get water and stuff. But I'll first dust it off and we'll get to clean it.
Wait, is this windshield wipe before?
This? you know what you're putting in there?
Putting antifreeze?
Oh shit. That's gonna be in the video. Don't put antifreeze in it. Oh my gosh. Can you believe this guy? Thing's color coded.
What's the max level?
That's enough. That's all you want. That's fine. That's fine. That's all you need to do. Alright, so we're pretty much done detailing this. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's way better. Obviously, I didn't go down there, on all the hoses and stuff. But it looks good. Now we're gonna apply the dressing, so the trim restorer, all that good stuff. Obviously, we're gonna use a water-based one. And yeah, so we'll get started with that. So with this one, a little bit goes a long way. Less is gonna be more. Alright, so it looks like it's all done. Looks nice and shiny, nice and black. Shoot, looks like a brand new engine now. There we go. Alright, so it looks like we're all done with the car. That's it. That's gonna be it. Whew, it's so nice and shiny. Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.